name is Josephat Esquitin. I'm the Senior Business Development Manager for Weldtec in North America. I've been working in the geothermal market for around 10 years now, and currently been with Weldtec here for about 4 years now. So our technology is a metal expandable packer for annular isolation, and this will enable enhanced geothermal systems to be reliable and safe. Something very cool about this technology is that it has already been developed, it has been qualified for the oil and gas, and we have further qualified it with the Department of Energy for the geothermal market. What we're doing really, then, the innovative part of this contest is being able to develop this technology with additive manufacturing, and then that's what we're really looking forward, because additive manufacturing is also part of the future for the reduction of time and cost in developing a product. So really our next step is for geothermal specifically, we see an exponential growth over the next 15-20 years. And we have a developed product in one size, and to scale up our market, we need to develop that in the different sizes that we already have an existing technology. Over the last 10 years, when we started developing this technology, our goal was to be able to become the number one annular isolation company for the industry. We are getting there. Weldtec is getting more known around the globe, and in the geothermal market, there's nobody that can do what we do. Well, one thing that we're very proud is that we've been working with the Department of Energy for 3 years now, and we're actively participating in 3 projects, and we're looking forward to participating in more of those projects. So we're becoming a partner of the Department of Energy, and we're very proud of that.